So after boiling the leaf in a alcohol by water bath, all these points are very important, you have to keep in your mind. So what we are doing, collecting the leaf in alcohol for dechlorophyll. If you de-starch, you cannot get any result after completion of this experiment. So all these things come under what, children? Procedure. So all these things, arrangement, everything you have to write in your own statements, no problem. So what is happening? After that, the leaf becoming what, children? Pale. Means if a leaf do not have chlorophyll, how it appears? Whitish or light green in color. It is called as a pale color. So the leaf become what? Pale. So it has lost what, children? Chlorophyll. So minus chlorophyll, what we call, children? Dechlorophyll. How can we dechlorophyll the leaf? By boiling in a alcohol. Now you can get one more question. Why all these things we have to do? To know the presence of starch in a correct, exact, visible way. All these things done for what? Visible things. If you do any test with green color pigments, you cannot get any perfect distinguishing colors. So dechlorophyll is very, very important, whether the starch is present or not, to find it out. So what is happening? It is what, children? Dechlorophylled leaf, or it is pale in color. Now collect it in a petri dish. What it is called, children? Petri dish. It is now petri dish. Now the very important chemical I am telling, you have to write even in the apparatus, that is iodine. Iodine or betadine. So generally iodine we use. The iodine solution nature, it reacts with starch and gives which color, children? Iodine plus starch form a complex. That complex gives a color blue black, means dark blue. Blue black means what? Dark blue. It is very, very important. So it is a complex. When chemical reaction takes place in chemistry, some complex will occur. This complex give a particular color. So if starch is present in a leaf, we remove the chlorophyll but not starch. Starch is existed, just chlorophyll is removed when you boil in alcohol. So iodine, when you add, it is very, very important. So take a ink pillar like this and add iodine drops to this dechlorophyll leaf, and it will change into like this, blue black. So the entire leaf is changed into blue black. Means what, children? Just as I said, if starch is exist, it change into blue black. Means the leaf have starch in it. Very simple. If starch is present, it change into blue black. If starch is absent, if you make a leaf to keep in the dark for 4 hours, 4 days to 6 days, or nearly 24 hours is enough, it will not change into blue black, because you kept in a dark, it cannot perform photosynthesis. Then it will not change into blue black. So two options you have to remember. If you keep in a sunlight, it produces starch. When you add iodine, it changes to blue black. Very simple. Again I will write here. So what is happening, children, in the experiment? So if you place a plant in a light for some time, then you go for this entire starch test, it will convert into blue black. Means result what? Starch is present. If you don't keep a plant in a light, if you keep in a dark nearly 24 hours, it will not perform photosynthesis because light is not available in that room. Then if you take a leaf and go for starch test, it will not change into blue black. So starch is absent. So by this experiment, two important points we can say. Photosynthesis took place and starch also present. So it helps to understand not only presence of starch, it also means that photosynthesis took place in this leaf. So what is this experiment? Tells about to find out the presence and absence of starch in a leaf. What is the aim? This is the aim. What are the apparatus required? Test tube, alcohol, funnel, everything, tripod stand, etc. Iodine is very, very important. procedure. So everything should be arranged. This is a procedure. Observation, changing of color by when you add iodine. When you add iodine solution, whether it is changing, it is an observation. What is the inference? You have to write inference that all this experiment I did means inference. Just you are reporting what you did. Next, conclusion. What is the conclusion, children? You can conclude that if starch is present, the leaf change into blue black. If starch is not present, means absent, it will remain as same. So by this we can understand this experiment starch test. Okay children, thank you.